Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself Meera Panchal and today our activity will help you to learn different emotions. Do you all know what is this? These are different emotions of human beings which I will explain you with the help of this picture of a little girl. We'll start with sad face. Next is angry. Then surprise. And the last one is happy. In today's activity, we'll create images of several suns, each with different facial expression. For that, we require art sheet, pencil, black sketch pen, oil pastels, watercolors, and brushes. We will make 4 circles which look like the sun, and we will draw different facial expressions in the sun. First we will draw happy face. Draw 2 eyes. Then one small standing line for nose. For happy face we will draw a curve like this. Now our happy face is ready. In similar way, draw eyes and nose in remaining 3 circles. Draw opposite curve like this and our sad face is ready. For angry face, we'll draw zigzag line and 2 downward lines for eyebrows. Draw a small circle for surprise face. Draw different designs around circles as per your choice. Use black sketch pen to darken drawing. Our drawing is ready. Now use balm oil pastel colors like red, orange, brown, yellow and pink for the sun, and cool watercolors like purple, blue, turquoise and green for background. Dear friends, our activity is complete. Now you can see this is happy face, this is angry, this is sad, and this is surprise. Hope you enjoy this activity. Stay safe and be happy. Bye.